Today we take on India's biggest street food, Pani Puri
and DHAI Puri. Let's get started.
Cooking is so much more fun when you trust your taste buds and don't measure stuff. So first, add roughly 1 tablespoon each of chili powder, coriander powder, and chopped masala to your boiled chickpea and potato mix. Add some salt to taste. Our trusty frother failed us this time, so we must resort to other mashing measures. For the infamous masala pani, you can either use pre-made green chutney or make your own with fresh coriander, mint, ginger, and green chili. Add lemon for tanginess, salt to taste, some sugar and chopped masala, and mix it all up. Now add some room temperature water for the pani puri. This is the vital step. You gotta poke holes in the top of your puris, but you gotta be super careful not to crack anywhere else. Stuff with your chana potato mash, diced onions, and top with tamarind chutney. Alright, it's the same setup for the DHAI puris, except now you gotta delicately drizzle with dahi or yogurt, green chutney, and your tamarind chutney. And there you have it, folks, India's best street food, Pani Puri and DHAI Puri.